wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I already know what time it is. I am back. I am ranking more products. So this is the first video of mine like this that you're seeing. Basically what I am about to do in this video is rank some of the best selling face primers that have launched out there. So if you want to know my thoughts on them, then let's go. So basically how this works, I have my own ranking system. It'll pop up somewhere here on the screen. The first tier is you can't sit with us, okay? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Those are the products, the other face primers just cannot sit with them. Top tier, if you buy it, you're most likely going to like it. Next, she's cute. She's not the top girl, but she's cute. If you use it on your face, you're most likely going to like it. Then, there's meh, which is, you know, you might pick it up, it'll do nice on your face, but if you forget about it for another 2 years, you're not really missing out on anything. Then there is, if you like it, I love it. The for you part is silent though. Like, if you like it, I love it for you. I don't like it. And then there's just, I don't know her, which is, I've tried it, I'd like to forget it, so I don't know her. So, let me pull up the first one that I've got here. And the first one, Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You can sit with us. That is one of the few products just in general amongst foundation, concealer, all those things that I have consistently used for years now at this point. I like the gripping aspects of the primer on my oily skin. It helps control my oily skin. You guys know I just picked up the concealer and eye primer version of the product. Like that as well. I like most of the hydro grip things that they've launched. The setting spray, I can really take it or leave it with that one. But this primer is gonna consistently stay part of my makeup routine. It mixes well using other primers on your face as well. If you're someone who, you know, you use certain finishes for different aspects of your face, like I have an oily face in my T-zone, so I'll use one primer there. The rest of my face is normal, so maybe I'll use a blurring primer in those sections. So it plays nice as well as that. Makeup sits nicely on top of it. It does what it has to do. Probably the best product that Milk has put out there, so you can't sit with us. Ooh, this is a throwback. The Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Priming Moisturizer. This is another one of those products where I've tried it before, you know, I kind of like felt how I felt about it, forgot about it, started using other things, and I was like, maybe I can go back to that. Maybe I can make it work. I've picked this thing up so many times. If I have to rank this, I'm putting this in, if you like it, I love it. Other people rave about this, like it's something you need, it's gonna be the best face primer for you. For me, it's giving very much so like you're priming with a moisturizer. I mean, it's called Face-Based Priming Moisturizer. It just feels like I'm moisturizing my face. Now, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do feel, you know, the people who say like primer is a scam and if you just really, you know, prep your face well with skincare, you'll be fine. I'd be feeling how y'all feel sometimes, so I understand that. That's when I would use a product like this. But the other times where I'm like, nah, I need my hydro grip, it's not really doing anything for me. So for me, if you like it, I love it, but I don't see myself saying again, you know, maybe I should just give it another shot. I don't see that. But if it happens, okay, this is the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Pore Minimizing Primer. This is like one of those first steps into getting into the online beauty community, trying this primer. Back in the day, I'm telling y'all, people were raving about this. Like it was the best thing since sliced bread. Again, another product I have picked up multiple times, but this I've picked up multiple times because I was like, this is such a terrible product and I just have to keep trying it because like maybe I am the problem. Maybe I am the problem with this product because it's just not giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. It's not. I've picked this, I can't even tell you how many times I have tried this product. When, you know, when you're checking out on Sephora, like stuff like that, you get little samples. I'm like, okay, go ahead, throw it in the bag. Cause like, something in me wants to make this thing work because of how much people rave about this thing. Like it's got 7,000 reviews on Sephora. It's a 4-star, if you're wondering, review on Sephora. I'm just like, I don't see it for her. But I also like really don't like silicone primers, so it could also be that. So if I had to rank this primer, I don't know her, okay? I'm not doing it again. I'm not trying to make it work again. I have just come to terms with the fact that this is just not for me. I can't even say like, if you like, no. I'm so annoyed with how many times I've picked up this thing that it's just, I don't know her. That's where it ranks. Ooh, people call this the company, the product that started the hype of face primers. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Foundation Primer. Again, it's got over 7,000 reviews on Sephora. If you're wondering, 4-star review. If I had to rank this, now they've got like a whole line of primers, I feel like this is one of the biggest things that Smashbox is known for, the Photo Finish. They got Photo Finish Smooth, Photo Finish the Iconic, Photo Finish Matte, Photo Finish the They came out with different colors. Like, so I'm ranking all of those together. I would put it in meh. I've tried a couple of them from the Photo Finish line, and it's like, you know, if you use it on your face, it's gonna do something. It's gonna look nice. You're probably gonna like how your face looks, but if I forget about it for 2 years, will I be fine with my makeup? Yes, I will. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this one in meh. The Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I think this is another meh primer. I remember trying it. I remember liking it, but I also feel like, you know, she's kind of forgettable. Like, I could go on like years later without picking it up again and be fine. If I picked it up again tomorrow, would it do what it has to do? Yes, it would. So for that reason, I'm gonna just throw it in meh. It's not giving like she's cute or you can't sit with us. It's not giving that. But you know, nice, cute little primer to have in your collection if you have it. Ooh, talk about another one that had a stronghold. It is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Protective Primer. It might be she's cute. I'm trying to think, is it You Can't Sit With Us? I really did like this primer for a good minute though. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in You Can't Sit With Us. Yeah, it's one of those top tier primers, at least for me. Again, on oily skin, I feel like it did what it had to do. Makeup applied nicely on top of it. Primers are something that like I'm not that easily impressed, and it did. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, it's gonna sit up there with a Hydro Grip as far as You Can't Sit With Us. The other primers aren't touching it. Now here's the thing, I don't know if you guys remember, but like shortly after this came out, e.l.f. came out with their Poreless Putty primer. It's supposed to be like a dupe version of this Tatcha one, and that's also a really nice primer. I don't remember if I screenshot that one to talk about it in this video, but the thing is, like, I would also put that one in You Can't Sit With Us then, if I like it as much as this. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This Tatcha Silk Canvas and the e.l.f. Pore Putty, I'm gonna put them both in You Can't Sit With Us. Okay, I remembered that I had screenshot this, which is why I had to move Tatcha up a tier, because this is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Y'all know how I feel about Tarte. But see, I am capable of being honest when I need to be honest. And if I had to rank this, I would say she's cute. Honestly, it works pretty much the same way as the Tatcha and the e.l.f. primer. Again, when that whole, you stole this from that person, like people like e.l.f. stole this from Tatcha, and people like, well, didn't Tatcha steal this from Tarte? They pretty much all work the same way. And I had to be honest, if I had to rank this one, she's cute. You know, she's not top tier, but she's also not meh. So if I had to rank it, it's gonna get the job done. You're gonna like it. I'm not gonna lie. It had a hold on me for a minute back in the day. So would I like rebuy this right now? No, I wouldn't. I had those other options. But she's cute. Okay, I think that's why I didn't screenshot the e.l.f. Poreless Putty, because I had screenshot this one. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This thing stayed sold out for a good minute when it launched. It is supposed to be like a Milk Hydro Grip dupe. She's cute. It's not Milk Hydro Grip. I'm sorry, I don't care what. It's not Milk Hydro Grip to me, so it's not going in top tier. You Can't Sit With Us, but she's cute. It's a cute primer, nice if you're looking for a drugstore primer that's gonna give you similar results to Hydro Grip. She's a cute primer. It's a nice one to have. Between this Jelly Pop and the Poreless, whatever it's called, primer, I'd still go with the other one, but this is a nice primer to have from e.l.f. as well. Okay, the NYX Pore Filler. Looking back on it, is this supposed to be like a Benefit dupe? Like a Benefit Porefessional dupe? If so, then yeah, I would pick this up over the Benefit Porefessional. This one I would rank... This one I would put in She's Cute. She's a cute primer. Again, I usually tend to like shy away from like pore filler or stuff like that, if, you know, it starts clogging. I don't have that issue with this one. Maybe I like the feel of this more than Porefessional. So if I had to rank this one, I would say She's Cute, gets the job done. Nice little affordable drugstore. I mean, it's still $14, but drugstore option if you're looking for something that's not like the 30, 40 some of the other ones are. So that one I would put in She's Cute. Okay, see, now we're really gonna start getting into the throwback face primers. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. If I thought I hated the Benefit Porefessional, when I tell you I hate this thing with a passion, I mean, I like, it brings out emotion of, I hate that primer. Again, done picked that thing up several times trying to make it work. Like, okay, it must be me. Like, I'm not doing it right, I'm not applying it right. It's my face. My face is not right. Nah, I just had to come to terms with the fact that this thing is a greasy, hot mess. I can feel the product on my face. Absolutely not. I am not here for it. I do not know her. Can't even lie and tell you if you like it, I love it. I can't do any of that, okay? No, absolutely not. To this product is bringing back memories I don't want to remember, so let's just move on. Next is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. She's cute. She's cute. Again, if you're looking for a drugstore, affordable option, it's good for that. Also, I think this might be like the only thing that's memorable to me from Rimmel London. For my oily skin out there, if you need a mattifying primer, it's gonna mattify the face. If you don't, you know, need mattifying, maybe like shy away from this one, but like specifically for oily skin, it's gonna get the job done. So I think I really gotta put this one in She's Cute. Oh, okay, so I've got two more to get through. And when I tell y'all, this is taking it all the way back, and it's taking it back to a time in the beauty community where things were just very strange, okay? People were using red bottoms to apply foundation. It was during that time of like all the challenges, like full face of highlighter challenge. People were bored, okay? People didn't know what to do. They were like, you know, I've been through every product that's out there in the makeup world, so let me just start trying everything else. It is the Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. Yeah, people were using shave balm as primers. I did buy it. Like, looking back, it was just like, what was the reason? Why did we do that? I don't know. I can't even like take it seriously thinking back on it. Like, we really were just throwing just random things on our faces. One of them was Nivea Post Shave. I don't know her. Would I do that now? And no, I would not. There are, you know, actual products out there made to be your face primer. Go ahead and pick one of those out. I mean, unless you want to try it, just see what everyone was talking about. But other than that, it's a no dog for me. And the last one, like, I really want to know what we were going through. Mind you, this one, I know people still use as face primer to this day. Like, working makeup artists use this on clients, stuff like that. Like, at least Nivea, I ain't seen nobody use that since, I don't know, 2016 on their face. But this one, people still use. That is Milk of Magnesia. Why? Again, why? Who started that? You know, it was probably one of those, you know, like how makeup artists, like, I have these tricks up my sleeves, like little things that you don't know about, and then everyone else took it and why are we using Milk of Magnesia as face primer? And I know there are some people, they are going to argue down that it does what it needs to do as a face primer. I do not understand. It's a no dog for me, so I have to rank that as I don't know her. Have I used? I can say, I know. No, I can't. I was gonna say, I can say, no, I did not actually try that on the face. I did try that on the face once. And I have sensitive skin. It was just, You know, at least you can look back on certain trends or things that happen in the community and laugh about it, because this community is very annoying. So at least you can look back, you can think of the memories like, oh, that was fun. It was weird, you know, it was a time period I can't really describe, but it's funny to look back at it and be like, what was happening? But yeah, if I had to rank that one, I don't know her. So that is it for this video. I hope this trip down memory lane was fun for some of y'all. Those are my thoughts on some of the best-selling face primers that have come out in the beauty community online. Let me know your thoughts on these things in the comments down below. Let me know or ask about some that I didn't mention in this video, because you know I'm not going to catch them all, and I'll let you know what I think about it. That is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Yeah.